Hi guys, just need to show you here this project. We did asphalt pavement here. You can see asphalt and here stripes. Okay, you can see exterior work for building, landscaping. Okay, you can see here. Okay, paint the 6 inches steel bollard, garage doors, landscaping. Here we have fire hydrant. Okay, landscaping, work, fire hydrant, light pole base. Here parking for handicap area, handicap people, windows. Here we didn't finish the exterior walls decoration. You can see sidewalk, suspension joints, each 25 foot. Okay, you can see another suspension joint, store aluminum door, storefront. You can see here, fill the gap. You know, here they run conduit, electrical conduit, so they cut the foams and then they fill it with foam. Same thing here, all the way up. You know, so they cut it here. You can see here they used washer and screw. That's the best way to hold it. Okay. Same thing here, sidewalk, landscaping, islands, over there, dumpster. Okay, transformer pad, electrical transformer pad and electrical meter. Okay guys, here electrical work for overdrive canopy, big canopy. You can see TPO at the top, and you can see here the columns and beams and the framing. You can see here they flash it with Dinzy glass. Okay, and here we have fire sprinkler. Same thing here, fire sprinkler pipe with sprinkler head. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have lights. Okay, so here you can see the fire sprinkler pipe. Okay, yeah, that's the main, came this way, and then those the branches here and there. Okay guys, and here that box for the fire department. You know, they'll put the key for all the exterior windows. Okay, here exterior lights, and here you can see hot channel and corner. Hot channel here corner for windows. Okay, and then foam here. So here that will be exterior metal to cover all that for decoration. Okay guys, you can see here island, landscaping. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will upload more videos about construction work. Hey guys, here you can see FDC and gas pipe. Okay, put a sticker on gas pipe. Please subscribe. Thank you guys, bye.